The Sneezing Cupcake. Once upon a time, in a town made of desserts, there lived a cupcake named Coco. Coco was sweet, pink, and sprinkled with rainbow dots. But Coco had one big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Ack! He sneezed, sending jelly beans flying across the street. Bless you, said a donut policeman, ducking as a gummy bear flew past his head. No one knew why Coco sneezed so much, until one day he visited Dr. Lollipop. Hmm? Said the doctor, looking at Coco's frosting. You're allergic to glitter sprinkles, Coco gasped. But I love glitter sprinkles. The doctor gave him a special anti-sneeze frosting made of mashed marshmallows and whipped cream. It worked. Coco didn't sneeze once all day. But there was one little problem. Now every time Coco laughed, he made whipped cream shoot out of his ears. Ha 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 ha. Splat. Cream on the ceiling. From that day on, Coco became the most popular cupcake in town. Kids lined up just to make him laugh and get a surprise whipped cream shower. And Coco, he didn't mind at all. As he always said, it's better to laugh cream than to sneeze jelly beans.